Right now, all the football enthusiasts in our country have got one of the best news they have asked for, I think. I think no one could have expected this. Yeah, you have guessed it right. Sunil Chhetri, our captain, leader, and legend, is coming back from his retirement. Indian football team Twitter handle, Insta handle, everything has just announced that Sunil Chhetri will be returning to the Indian national team for the FIFA window in the March, and where India will play against Maldives and Bangladesh in their AFC Asian Cup qualifier opener. So I think it's a great news for all the football fans in India. Few months back, fans were, tears were rolling down from their eyes when Sunil Chhetri, bid goodbye to the fans for the final time. Wearing the national team jersey when he hung up his boot, playing his last game at the VIBK Stadium. And right now, I think this is one of the best news that people could have asked for. India will be playing against Bangladesh on 25th of March in Shillong in their AFC Asian Cup qualifier. And before this, right now the Indian football team social media handle has just announced that Sunil Chhetri is coming back of retirement. That means he will be in the squad. He will be in the squad, and of course, I think right now Sunil Chhetri, even at this age, above 40, he is one of the best striker right now in ISL. I think there are also many fledgling talents, like Irfan Edward, Lalinjola Changte, Farooq Chaudhary, many, who have been impressive in the ISL. But Sunil Chhetri, he has been in his own league because he has scored, more than 10 goals in this ISL. So I think he really deserves this place. I still remember, in every press conference, even in the last press conference when Bangalore played against East Bengal, we asked him that is this the last time VIBK witness you? And he said, hope not. And that, signal at that time that, once again, I think there's a chance that he is coming back, and he has kept his word. Sunil Chhetri is again coming back of his retirement to don the national team jersey. That means again, right now we are not sure whether we'll be wearing the captain armband or not, but without any doubt we will be shouldering the attacking responsibility for the Indian team. So obviously, the match will be in Shillong against Bangladesh, and the stadium will be full packed to witness Sunil Chhetri once again.